Chit Chat English.
I am happy.
I am over the moon.
I don't know.
I have no idea.
You can trust me.
You can count on me.
I like you.
I am into you.
Give it a try.
Give it a shot.
Could you check and tell me?
Could you verify and inform me?
I am so sad.
I feel blue.
I work in the computer.
I am on my laptop.
I ride my bike.
I go cycling.
I study a lot.
I hit the books often.
I watch movies.
I am into films.
I like to dance.
I am into dancing.
How can I help you?
How may I assist you?
Can I have a minute?
May I have a moment of your time?
Can I come tomorrow?
Can I drop in tomorrow?
Please do it fast.
Please do it rapidly.
It's a bad idea.
It's a terrible idea.
I will pay the bill.
It's on me.
I don't care.
As if I care.
Text me when you get home.
Hit me up when you get home.
You are so kind.
You have a heart of gold.
I disagree.
Not in my books.
It is easy.
It's a piece of cake.
I am leaving.
I am off.
I am tired.
I am worn out.
I am angry.
I am furious.
I am excited.
I am thrilled.
I feel sick.
I am under the weather.
I am nervous.
I have butterflies in my stomach.
I am confused.
I am puzzled.
I am scared.
I am terrified.
Call me later.
Hit me up later.
Come with me.
Tag along.
Wait for me.
Hang on a second.
Let's start.
Let's get the ball rolling.
It's raining.
It's pouring.
I forgot.
It slipped my mind.
Let's talk.
Let's have a chat.
That's funny.
That's hilarious.
It's very big.
It's enormous.
It's very small.
It's tiny.
It's not working.
It's broken.
It's my fault.
I take responsibility.
Be quiet.
Keep it down.
Please wait.
Kindly hold on.
Come here.
Could you step closer?
Sit down.
Please take a seat.
Thank you.
Much appreciated.
You're welcome.
No worries.
It's okay.
No problem.
Don't worry.
No need to fret.
I'll think about it.
I'll sleep on it.
I don't understand.
I'm lost.
I understand.
I've got it.
It's important.
It's crucial.
It's a good idea.
It's a brilliant idea.
Let's meet later.
Let's catch up later.
I'm sorry.
My apologies.
It's cheap.
It's a bargain.
It's expensive.
It costs a fortune.
It's far.
It's a long way off.
It's cold.
It's freezing.
It's sunny.
The sun is blazing.
Stop talking.
Zip it.
I am busy.
I am swamped.
I am okay.
I am doing all right.
It's my mistake.
I take the blame.
You are right.
You've got a point.
I'm surprised.
I am taken aback.
I'm relaxed.
I'm as cool as a cucumber.
I am not sure.
I'm uncertain.
It's possible.
It's likely.
It's impossible.
It's out of the question.
I like it a lot.
I'm crazy about it.
I don't like it.
I'm not fond of it.
I hate it.
I can't stand it.
It's interesting.
It's fascinating.
It's boring.
It's tedious.
I'm cleaning.
I'm tidying up.
I am cooking.
I'm preparing a meal.
I am exercising.
I'm working out.
I am walking.
I'm going for a stroll.
I am running.
I'm going for a jog.
I am shopping.
I'm running errands.
Could you show me?
Could you demonstrate?
Let's do this together.
Let's collaborate.
Can you explain this?
Could you clarify this?
Can you hear me?
Am I audible?
Let me know.
Keep me posted.
I need to finish this.
I have to wrap this up.
I don't have time.
I'm pressed for time.
I'm going to the airport.
I'm heading to the airport.
I need a taxi.
I need a cab.
How do I get there?
Could you direct me?
Can you give me directions?
Could you guide me there?
The flight is delayed.
The flight has been postponed.
See you soon.
Talk to you soon.
Take care of yourself.
Look after yourself.
I'll miss you.
You'll be in my thoughts.
Say goodbye to everyone for me.
Give my regards to everyone.